Hi, we are Group 5 of 8 Hope, and our investigatory project is Grow a Garden, Effect of Artificial Red Light on the Growth of Different Plant Species in a Greenhouse Environment. Farmers in the Philippines often face problems growing crops because of unpredictable weather, like strong typhoons, long rainy seasons, and droughts. To help solve this, we explored greenhouse farming using artificial red light. In a previous study, when I was grade 8, we tested mung bean under different light colors and we found out that red light gave the best results. And this year, we continued our research and added more plants, mung beans, onions, garlic, and tomatoes, to see how red light affects their growth compared to natural sunlight.
Background of this study. Plants need light for photosynthesis, a process that helps them make food and grow. But in the Philippines, farming is often affected by limited or too much sunlight, heavy rain, or drought. These challenges reduce crop yield and farmer income.
Our study aims to answer this question. How does artificial red light affect the growth of mung beans, onions, garlic, and tomato plants compared to natural sunlight?
We also want to know which among these plants shows the best growth in terms of height, leaf count, and overall health under red light.
Methodology. We used an experimental method. We planted mung beans, onions, garlic, and tomatoes in pots with soil. Each type of plant had two groups, one under natural sunlight and one under artificial red light. We built a small greenhouse using wood and clear plastic sheets. Inside, we installed red LED glow lights to serve as a light source. We watered the plants regularly and recorded their progress. Stay tuned to see the results.
Here's the result of our experiment. We took photos and videos from day 3. As you can see, all plants are showing growth already. Onions have small sprouts on their bulbs. Garlic shows the slowest growth, while mung beans grow the fastest. Day 4. As you can see, it rained during the night, but the greenhouse protected both sides. The red light continues to run 24/7. The growth in the red light area is greater than in the area without light. Here's the mung bean. As you can see, it's getting taller. The onion shows similar growth, while the garlic is beginning to sprout. The tomato plant has also developed a few leaves. Day 5. Here's the video from inside the greenhouse. We water the plants every day, but they remain inside the greenhouse. Observe the differences carefully as I'll later show the plants side by side for comparison. Here's the progress of the plants on the side without red light. They are also healthy and growing, but their growth is noticeably slower compared to those under the red light. If this experiment is successful, farmers can build larger greenhouses to maximize plant growth and productivity. This setup can help them grow crops even during unfavorable weather, reduce pest exposure, and ensure consistent yields year-round. Additionally, using artificial red light can promote faster growth, allowing farmers to harvest more frequently and increase their income. Day 6 to day 7. We continue to observe, water, and take care of the plants. It's been raining frequently these days, but our plants remain well protected inside the greenhouse, allowing them to grow steadily despite the weather. As you can see, the leaves of the mung beans and onions under the red light are already reaching the roof of the greenhouse. A taller greenhouse might be more suitable for large-scale farming to allow for better vertical growth. I'll need to trim them later to prevent overcrowding and ensure healthy development. Here, I'm trimming the excess leaves that were touching the roof on the greenhouse. But don't worry, I already took photos of them before trimming, and I'll show you them to you soon. Stay tuned! The mung beans under the red light have about the same height as those without the red light, but they show more growth in terms of leaves and stems. As for the garlic, the one under the red light is slightly taller than the one without the red light. As for the onions, there's a significant difference in the height. The ones under red light are much taller. The same goes for the tomatoes. The ones under the red light are noticeably taller and show more leaf growth. This tomato was grown under artificial red light. However, on the other hand, this tomato was grown on natural light. You see how significantly big the difference is?
Conclusion: our study shows that artificial red light can help plants grow faster and healthier. This means farmers can use red lights in greenhouses to continue growing crops even during harsh weather. With this method, they can protect their plants, improve their harvest, and ensure a more stable income of their families and communities.